All right, looking up in the mountains right now, we're tracking the snow up there.
Yes. I think a lot of people are just super excited that finally we're starting to see, more consistent snow in the mountains. People were getting a little nervous at the start of the season, thinking, where's the snow? It's cold enough, but there's no snow.
Well, now it's here.
Now it's here. It looks like it's here to stay, although we are expecting the snow level to rise a little bit over the next couple of days. So not the best news for those early season skiers and snowboarders, but this is pretty much what the doctor ordered. This is Mount Rainier Paradise, picked up about 15 inches of fresh snowfall just in the last 24 hours. Now that warm front is lifting to the north. That means the rain and the snow will be tapering off over the next few hours, and also the snow levels will start to rise. More on that in just a second. You can see Grand Mountain Elementary School even seeing some breaks in the clouds now that that front is lifted to the north. You can see the showers from Seattle northward, a bit of a rain shadow near the Everett area, and still dumping snow heavily up in the North Cascades. High risk for avalanches, by the way, in the North Cascades, including areas around Mount Baker. And we're also still seeing some very heavy rainfall along the coast. We still have a flood watch that continues for coastal regions as well as northern slopes of the Olympics until 10 p.m. tonight. Some minor flooding possible, including the Bogachiel River. I want to back things up a little bit. You can actually see that warm front, these higher clouds lifting that rain a little further north up into British Columbia. So the rain's basically going to be tapering off over the next couple of hours, but we're not done with the stormy skies just yet. We have a somewhat stronger storm system which is starting to take shape. Notice a swirl you see here way out in the Pacific. This is Friday's system. This one is going to be giving us a more significant wind, we'll say, that could include most of western Washington. The last couple of systems have really only been impacting the coast and north interior. Now it looks like most of us will get a dose of wind as we head into Friday. In fact, the National Weather Service has issued a high wind watch for most of western Washington, with the exception of a couple locations. This includes parts of the southwest interior, the I-5 corridor, all the way up to the border, including the coast. 10 a.m. tomorrow morning until 6 p.m. Friday, we could see wind gusts approaching 60 miles per hour. We haven't seen that yet this year, so that's something to certainly pay attention to. So it's a strong cold front that'll be moving through the middle of the day on Friday. Widespread windy conditions. A couple of local power outages are possible, and watch out for some branches down. This is mainly during the lunch hour time frame on Friday. So let's kind of pinpoint exactly what we expect to happen. That warm front again continues to lift northward. We're basically dry through the evening hours. Here comes the cold front tomorrow morning. This is at about 8 o'clock. The rain starts along the coast. That's where the windy conditions will initially start off. By midday, notice the brighter colors in and around that sound. The south to southeasterly wind will be rather gusty for at least a few hours. And then once we head into Friday evening, it looks like things begin to wind down and the rain showers should taper off Friday evening. Actually, Saturday should be the drier day, maybe a stray shower early in the morning, but otherwise dry. Increasing rain on Sunday. Sunday is going to be the wetter day of the weekend, and look for rainy conditions on Monday and Tuesday as our active weather pattern continues.